Hello students, this is your KP sir. I am here to solve the questions of ESC mains which is held yesterday. So I am going to solve the question from environmental now. Before going to start the session, थोड़ा सा offer alert था. If you take 1 year subscription in an academy, you will get additionally 3 months benefit. So take an academy subscription using the code KP Civil Live and get the benefit 12 months का 3 months additional benefit था. ठीक है. And a new batch is going to start from 24th November with the subject of strength of material. Join an academy as early as possible. Enroll for the new batch. This is the question what we are having. ESC mains paper 2, question number 4, C, and that is first bit, which is related to wastewater engineering. A city has a catchment area of 7,500 hectare. So first we are going to make the data, given data, catchment area 7,500 hectare. The population density of city is taken 200 persons per 1 hectare. 200 persons per 1 hectare. The water supplied at the rate of 175 liter per capita per day. Please understand this. Water supplied, it is not wastewater quantity. Water supplied per person per day 175 liter per capita per day. What would be design flow for combined sewer? What is the question? Question is related to discharge combined sewer के लिए. combined sewer का discharge चाहिए हमको. combined sewer में क्या आता है? Domestic sewage as well as storm sewage, both combined sewer. Now they are giving information. Intensity of rainfall 30 mm per hour. Average runoff coefficient 0.5. So make a note, 75% of water supplied is converted into sewage. And peak factor is given 3. So now we have to determine discharge for combined sewer. So we'll go with solution now. So first what we must calculate for domestic sewage calculation. Domestic sewage calculation. What we must take? First what we require is population. Population is equal to population density, given population density 200 per hectare into how many hectares are there? 7,500 hectares are there. So population, क्या है population? 15 lakhs था. Population 15 lakhs, ज़्यादा population था. Now, for this population, water supplied per capita demand given, per capita demand 175 LPCD. So what we can get? Average water supplied. Average water supplied is equal to 15 lakhs population into 175 LPCD per capita demand. 15 lakhs population था, 175 LPCD per capita demand था. 262.5 into 10 power 6 liter per day. 262.5 MLD. But only 75% only converted to wastewater. 75% only converted to wastewater. So now what we can take? Average domestic sewage discharge. Average domestic sewage discharge. So we will take 75%, 0.75 into 262.5 into 10 power 6. 262.5 into 10 power 6. This is a liter per day. I am converting meter cube per second divided by liter to meter cube 1000, 24 hours a day, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So we'll get average domestic discharge in terms of meter cube per second. Liter per day converted to meter cube per second. So what is the answer you are getting here? Average domestic discharge का आंसर क्या है? 2.2725 meter cube per second. And peak factor given. So maximum factor 3 times. Peak factor is 3. Maximum 3 times of average. Maximum 3 times of average. So what we are taking? Q max. Domestic sewage, what we call a dry weather flow. Q max domestic sewage का नाम क्या है? Dry weather flow था. Q max dry weather flow is equal to 3 peak factor given into average value 2.2725. 2.2725. That is maximum dry weather flow. 3 into 2.2725. What you are getting? 6.8175 meter cube per second. Shall we take this directly? Combined discharge. No, combined sewer के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Storm sewage का discharge चाहिए. So next step we are going to determine storm sewage. Storm sewage. So storm sewage formula Q SS or Q wet weather flow WWF will take QSS storm sewage CIA by 360. CIA by 360. Rational formula था ना, CIA by 360 QSS rational formula. We can apply this. C 0.5 intensity of rainfall 30 mm per hour, area 7500 hectare divided by 360. QSS storm sewage C 0.5 into intensity 30 mm per hour, area 7500 by 360. What you are getting? 312.5 meter cube per second. 312.5 meter cube per second is QSS. Now, combined sewer discharge flow rate. कंबाइंड सीवर डिस्चार्ज फ्लो रेट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? सम ऑफ Q मैक्सिमम Q फॉर DWF plus QSS. So what we are having now? 6.8175 plus 312.5. So this is the final answer for discharge. Final answer 319.3175. 319.3175 meter cube per second. This is combined discharge flow rate, final value. So this is the fourth question. C part 1. So you got it, combined sewer discharge.